welcome to my beautiful cooking video. Today I'm gonna be making whatever this is. Also, the berries kinda, yeah. I've never done this before. Keep that in mind. So, I'm just gonna. Wonderful. I don't know if this is how you do it, but let's just hope I'm not doing anything wrong. I have no, I'm not wearing shoes. I don't care. So I'm gonna make a dessert because I don't usually do that. I don't know how to do this. I think I need to squash it. Not sure. Let's hope I don't die. Oh, need some sugar. No, that was a mistake. Whatever. Clean that later. Okay, so here's my, oh gosh, it's gonna warm. It's not fucking melting, but here we are, trying to melt this a monstrosity of a dessert. Just put it to max. Look how beautiful. Oh. Oh god. 10, 14, 12. Yeah, anyways. Yes. Oh shit. Cut it in half. Wow. Okay. Cut it in half. Oh, bubbles. Okay, yeah, this. But yeah, life is going well. Alright? Life is going well. I put a little too many blueberries in. Let's put another strawberry. Shit. Long story short, the whole thing is no, whatever. Oh no. Yeah, that's great and all, but that's not how it's supposed to be done, Carl. I'm doing fine. I think I may have put a little too many berries, but that's fine. Yeah. It smells good though. If I had raspberries, that would have been better, but I only have blueberries and shit. Ugh. Fuck yeah. This right here. This deserves to be on Bon Appetit. Ah, fuck yeah. Excuse the mess. Oh yeah, here we are with sugar still everywhere. Why is my hair bad? Should I put more blueberries? You know what? I'm feeling risky. Let's put more blueberries. No. No. That's not what I wanted to. No. This is too much. This is way too much. Yeah, it looks like a turd. Oh no, I made a mess. Throw this away. As you can tell, I suck. I stepped on a blueberry. I apologize, but this. Oh, it's bubbling. Let's squish. Pop it, squish. Pop it, squish. Okay. Here we go. It's. I forgot to turn the sink off. What the fuck? Oh, there are more blueberries on the floor. So yeah. All of this is gonna be fine. This hoodie makes me look super fat. Maybe I am fat, never mind. Here we are. I think it's done. I'm not too sure, but I think it's done. It looks like a soup. Now this is suspicious. This is suspicious but delicious. Yeah, I think it's done. Let's put over there. Yeah. Do that. I've already eaten ice cream, but I have a sweet tooth, so I'm gonna use the same. I need ice cream. Okay, fuck yeah. Okay, I got the ice cream. It's vanilla taste, because why wouldn't it be? So I'm gonna heat this in the microwave real quick. Yeah, it's done now. That was 10 seconds. And I'm going to open it like this. And time to get some delicious scoops of creamy ice cream. Oh shit, yeah, I'm doing this with one hand. I'm feeling risky. Oh my god. That is... Uh-huh. Yeah, I've almost eaten this entire... Oh god, I can't do this. Ow, my finger. I was about to say dildo, but we don't talk about that. This is... It's not fucking working. Just give me the cream. Ice cream. Let me have another one. And I spilled sugar everywhere, but that's fine. That is totally fine. You should know that, alright? So, pick it up. There. I have 4 scoops of delicious ice cream. Now, the delicious soup of berries. Oh, the color. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm gonna throw this in this, and I need a spoon. I have a spoon, and let me just make a delicious treat for myself, because I cleaned my room yesterday. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm so good at this. Yeah, do you see how delicious this looks? Oh, the blueberries are everywhere. Anyways, here's my delicious Bon Appetit treat. I have a lot of it left, so I'm just gonna give that to my dad, I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Excuse the mess. But yeah, I have made a big mess. Big mess. I have blueberries. There's a blueberry on the floor that I stepped on. And yeah, this treat is gonna be delightful. Still have a bit to clean. I don't know how I managed to be this messy. Hold on, give me this. Give me a piece. I need sugar. I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Oh! Anyways, I'm gonna put this back in the freezer. Because why wouldn't I put it on? And how'd I do? That was scary. But yeah. So here, I got a, oh no, I put it on, whatever. I need this. I need this. And now it's time to clean the sugar, because sugar is messy. My dad's gonna be pissed if it's messy, so let's just not make it messy. So this is the aftermath. I still have some left, but yeah, it's clean enough. And here is my Bon Appetit. Oh, it looks delicious, but also kind of nasty. But yeah, this is delicious, hopefully. But yeah, here it is. It tastes okay. Yeah, that's good. I finished it in 1 minute, but was it good? Yeah. But was it worth it? No. It was a waste of time, because I already finished it. And it was a mess. Nah. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching another WhippedChefs video. I was bored, so I just... But yeah, I'm gonna take this and put it in... I am so ugly today. Bitch, you're always ugly. Shut the fuck up. If you're wondering what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go take a big fat shit, cause I'm kvalm.